Look, this happens to everybody. You wake up in the morning, you look at your closet to get ready, and boom, you got nothing to wear, so you end up resorting back to that one outfit that you wear all the time. But man, you do have something to wear. You've just been shopping wrong your entire life, and I'm here to save you. When you see, number one, I want you to pick a color scheme, and then stick to that color scheme your entire wardrobe. A great example of this is when I designed Essentials collections. For example, our last collection, you'll see that neutral color palette that I was inspired from Iceland from, right? The cool thing with sticking to a color palette is that if you continue to shop within colors in that palette, everything's just gonna work. This is why, let's say, a wardrobe filled of neutral colors, anytime you wake up and pick up a color, it's just gonna match with any other bottom that you have, and it makes getting ready in the morning easier, and it gives you more versatility, utility, and more outfits to be able to compose. The problem is most people never stick to a color scheme and they just buy crazy, right? Like they buy without a game plan. They'll go to a shop, oh, I like that color. Oh, I like that color. Now you have quite literally a Skittles closet, a complete rainbow that makes it difficult for you to mix and match and makes it harder to be able to compose outfits, especially in the morning when you're already tired. Number two, I call this rule 3 ways. Next time you're considering to purchase an item, I want you to think about its versatility. A good rule of thumb is that you should be able to wear this item in 3 different ways in 3 different occasions. If you cannot think of that while you're trying to purchase this item, just hang it right back up. Chances are you shouldn't buy it. Let me give you an example. A black tuxedo. Let's say you got a wedding, it's a black tie event. Your initial gut reaction is, oh, let me go buy a tuxedo. But reality is, you really can only use this in 1, maybe 2 different situations. Your future wedding and any other black tie event you'll be invited to, which is probably not a lot. Meaning, it's not gonna give you that utility versus getting a dark gray suit. See, a dark gray suit, that one gives you utility. A dark gray suit you can wear to a formal event. You can also wear it to an interview. You could also wear it to your job. You can wear it to church. You can wear just the slacks with a t-shirt to a date. You can wear just the blazer with jeans if you want to dress business casual. That's the type of versatility you're looking for. The exact same can be said about t-shirts, right? You have a graphic tee and just a plain white t-shirt. Which one gives you more utility? Whichever one it is, that's the one you purchase. Number 3, I don't want you to focus on price. See, when it comes to marketing, people mostly focus more on how much they save versus how much the product actually costs. This is a marketing trick that most retailers know, which is why they'll have these crazy 20-30% off sales that'll incentivize customers to purchase. And in your mind, you're gonna justify it because you're seeing just how much you're saving versus actually how much the product is costing you. This is why you should focus on what you need versus more so focusing on price. If you're the type of dude that focuses on price, you're gonna be swayed by heavy discounts, and you're gonna end up buying things that you really don't want, but end up buying just because you think it's a good deal. Instead, zero in, it's gonna be hard, and rationalize what is it that you need. And whether it's on sale or not, if you actually need it, that's what you purchase. Number 4, I'm gonna need you to wait. Like, pump the brakes. See, the practice of developing wish lists is great to help delay that instant gratification. Too many people impulse buy to get that quick dopamine release inside of them, and then they're gonna rationalize in their head and think that that purchase was good just because you felt a little bit good about making that purchase. Instead, I want you to start developing wish lists. As you're watching my videos or other influencers or other celebrities, and you start seeing products that you think you'll need or will give you that versatility, start creating a wish list of products that you want. That list will start expanding and will avoid for you to actually impulse buy. Some of the things that you'll put on will probably not be useful, but when you come back to this wish list, now that you have extra spending capital, let's say you saved up a little bit, you're gonna be in a much more calm state to be able to rationalize out of that list, what is it that you need? What's gonna actually make you look more stylish, and what are the things that you probably don't want in your life and it's just a waste of money, and that's how you end up shopping for the right stuff. Finally, number 5, you have too many options. See, you probably started watching this video thinking, I don't have anything to wear, and I'm here to tell you, you have too much to wear. This is what I'm talking about is a behavioral principle known as choice overload, where when you start having too many choices, you're gonna be overwhelmed and you're gonna revert to what you're comfortable with, which ends up making you feel like you got nothing to wear because you continually wear the same thing because you're reverting back to what you're comfortable. So I want you to get rid of all the trendy stuff, all the hype stuff, all the colorful stuff, all the graphic stuff. I want you to get rid of what's torn, what's shrunken, what's old, what you definitely don't wear anymore. Get rid of all of that. I want you to cleanse your closet from all their garbage and actually see what's actually good that makes you look good, and from there start building up using the principles I showed you in this video. Using a color scheme, purchasing products for utility and versatility, and I promise you, you will dress 10 times better. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, everybody has something to wear. You're just shopping wrong. That's it from me today. See you next time.